Mr. Satish Prabhu, many people have asked this question. Is it really possible to make quick money through mutual funds in the stock market?
I wouldn't say mutual funds are the right instruments for that. Mutual funds are for long-term wealth creation, but mutual funds, are for the short term, but they are for emergency and all those reasons. But if somebody wants quick money, perhaps mutual funds are not the right vehicles. And I wouldn't want to misguide investors and say that come and mutual funds will give you quick money. So maybe the mutual funds as a vehicle is there to create long term wealth and help savers to meet their goals.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.